don't know, but time will show, and we'll both grow.
Hey you guys, it's Amina Jahara here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another beauty video, but today we're doing something just a little bit different. So before I get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms, and make sure you check out my other videos after you watch this one. No, don't try to leave yet. Never know, relax. So you guys, I have a major secret that I'm finally willing to share with y'all because it's just time. So all right, come on, I'm gonna whisper this. So just come a little closer. Come on. Don't have any lashes. And before you girls get excited, it's not that I don't have any lashes per se. It's just I have been taking such bad care of them because I put on these strips and I don't rub no coconut oil. I just be tired and I just snatch them off, and I'm like, my real lashes are going with them. We can't have that. Like, that's not cute. That's not how you take care of yourself. That is terrible self-care. So I might have found a solution, and the solution is iMethod. iMethod is a brand that sells lash and brow serum, and they say in 50 days that you will see a difference. I kind of busted the box open, so sorry, but this is the packaging. Cute little box. It's actually on Amazon too. I got excited because I love Amazon, because I mean 2-day shipping. Can the girls beat that? Oh, okay. But yeah, I'll put all the information in the bio. So let's just see what it looks like. This is the applicator. Ooh. This is the applicator, and is it not so stinking cute? Like, it's just me, but when something is cute, like, and aesthetically pleasing, it makes you want to use it more. It's kind of like when you work out, like when you first start working out, you gotta buy cute workout clothes because it makes you just want to wear them and go to the gym. Like, that's how I kind of feel about beauty products. So so I'm really excited to use this. Let's open it. Oh, okay, you guys can see me. It doesn't have a smell really, but they say use this on your eyelashes every single day and your brows, and you will see growth within 2 weeks, but you'll see a lot of growth within 8 weeks. So I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna let you guys know. Well, it says in 50 days you'll really start seeing results, so I'm gonna come back in 50 days to show y'all. I'm gonna put a picture of my brows now, and then, you know, you gotta be subscribed if you want to see what happens in 50 days, because you might want to use this, you know. It also comes with this little like spoolie, I'm guessing, for your eyebrows. So wow, I didn't even think about that. How does that work? Is there anything else in here? There's also instructions in here, but like, all right, am I really gonna read those? No. I think I know everything. That's my problem. No, I'm gonna read them. But yeah, this is for your eyebrows to, you know, brush them in. I don't really have a problem with my eyebrows. My eyebrows they'll grow if I let them. I just really don't let them because it's giving Anthony Davis. Good for him, not for me. You know, it's not my vibe. And that's no shade to anybody with a unibrow, because some people can rock out with their unibrow. But me, I don't have a unibrow. I'm being dramatic. But yeah, my eyebrows get hairy scary. So I do get them done pretty often. But my lashes, I've never really tried to grow them back. So we're gonna see what happens in 50 days. Thank you, iMethod, for sponsoring this video. Thank you for sending this to me, because you might have just saved a girl's life. Because imagine me having bald lashes forever. All right, let me stop saying that. They're not bald, as you will see in the picture, not bald. But they definitely have been falling out because of me. So I'm really gonna start taking care of myself. I'm gonna start rubbing oil on them, taking it off when I take my makeup off, and yeah. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, but really make sure you subscribe, because you gotta see what's tea in the next, you know, couple weeks. So might as well stay along for the ride. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. And stop. Make sure you watch some more videos. There's some in my description. got hair videos, we got singing videos. Yes, I'm a singer. And we got music videos, some old story times. It's a lot here. I got about 50 videos. You might as well watch, because I mean, why not? So yeah, bye guys.
Boy, I don't know.